Good morning, children. Now let's start the next topic of surface chemistry, that is catalyst. So let us discuss what is catalyst. Before that, we discuss what is adsorption and the types of adsorption as well as adsorption isotheorem. Now, catalyst. As you all must have seen that in the formation of ammonia by Haber process, with nitrogen and hydrogen, we use iron as a catalyst. So that iron, what is the function of that iron is we are going to discuss. That means what is the function of catalyst in a particular reaction we are going to discuss. Now let's see catalyst. It is a foreign substance which increases the rate of a reaction without consumed in amount and without change in its chemical characteristic. That means quantitatively and qualitatively it will not change at the end of the reaction, but it will increase the rate of reaction. Now, characteristic of catalyst. First characteristic of catalyst is it cannot initiate a chemical reaction. It can only help to increase the reaction. Okay, it only catalyze once spontaneous reaction started. That means it will not start the reaction. Once reaction is started, then only it will increase its speed or its rate. Second characteristic property is second. Only a small amount of catalyst is sufficient to catalyze a reaction. Catalyst doesn't require in large amount. A small amount of catalyst is sufficient to carry out a reaction. Now the third property is a catalyst remain unchanged in amount and its chemical characteristic. That we have already discussed it, like quantitatively and qualitatively catalyst will remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. Next property, a catalyst is specific in nature. What it means by this one? For a particular reaction, a particular element or compound will only act as a catalyst. Like for example, iron act as a catalyst in the formation of ammonia by Haber process, but it will not act as a catalyst for any other reaction. And that's why it is told that catalyst is specific in nature. Now the another one, a catalyst do not change equilibrium constant. That you already read it in its previous class, class 11, chapter equilibrium. Catalyst does not change the equilibrium constant. It just helps to attain the equilibrium quickly, just for increasing the speed of both forward as well as backward reaction. Okay, with the same speed. Now, again the question arises that why catalysts have a properties to increase the rate of reaction. So that we are going to discuss it under the topic rate of activation energy in a catalyzed reaction. As I have already told you in brief that for a particular reaction, a particular amount of energy is required. That particular amount of energy is known as activation energy. I told you previously also about this activation energy. We are going to discuss it in detail in chapter chemical kinetics. Now, behavior of catalyst can be explained on the basis of activation energy. Like suppose this is a particular reaction. You can see the blue curve. This graph is plotted between the energy and rate of reaction. So a particular reactant have this much amount of energy, and to form the product it required this much extra amount of energy which we have to give it. So this amount of energy is known as activation energy. So here this reactant will reach to the reaction intermediate state and at last come to the formation of product, and this is the amount of reaction which is required as a activation energy. Now this is happening in absence of catalyst, but if you are adding the catalyst is just decreasing the amount of activation energy by providing alternative path for a reaction mechanism. Like you can see here, in absence of catalyst, reaction required this much amount of activation energy. But if we are adding the catalyst, then reaction required only this much amount of catalyst. Like you can understand the concept that if you are going to from here to Kolkata by train, it takes around 12 to 13 hours. Okay, you are going from Siliguri to Kolkata only by air or by plane. Then what happened? You are from Siliguri, you are reaching to Kolkata, but just by changing the path, your time period is reduced, because with train from Kolkata, from Siliguri to Kolkata, it takes 10 to 12 hours, but if you are going it by plane, it will you will be reaching within 1.5 hour. Okay, so this is the thing that catalyst just provide the alternative path for reaction mechanism by reducing its activation energy. You can understand in this way. So like according to this, a catalyst provide an alternate path to carry out a reaction which required less amount of activation energy. Hence, number of effective collision increases. That means those collision which is required to form the product will increase it, because it is now in presence of catalyst, it requires less amount of energy. So less amount of energy is required to carry out a reaction because it has changed the reaction mechanism. Okay, and this topic you will be better understand in chemical kinetics. Like just you can understand this EA is the amount of activation energy when the catalyst is not added in the reaction. EA dash is the activation energy of a reaction for in presence of catalyst. Now this EA will be greater than EA dash.